I want to share with you guys one thing that you can do to crush your competition when you're launching a new Amazon product. Now, and by the way, guys, like if you have an Amazon product that's crushing it, you can always make iterations, adjustments, and changes to your Amazon product. Like that's a huge roadblock that Amazon sellers have. They're like, well, it's working and it's been up for 6 months or it's been up for a year, so I can't really change things. That's BS. Like I change my products all the time. I change my branding all the time. I change the packaging all the time. I reduce quantity, increase quantity, add stuff. So I just want to get that out of the way real quick. Like once you launch a product, like it's not like you're patented on this product and you can't change it. You have flexibility to change this product however you want. Remember, always try to break your product. Always try to break your business. Always try to break your brand. Be constantly looking for ways to improve, right? With that said, guys, one thing that crushes the competition that I'm surprised a lot of sellers aren't on is bundling. I think the problem is that people don't understand how bundling works or like what to bundle. Like I see a lot of people just throw random crap in bundling, or oh my God, this is the biggest one. People will literally just turn their stuff into a 2-pack or 3-pack and think that's bundling. For bundling to work, you want to create an irresistible offer. So a few things, like I'm going to give you guys a few different ways that you can think about different things to bundle for your product that's going to help you increase your sales and make your offer irresistible. Think about things that your client or the customer or consumer would purchase after buying your product. What's something that they would purchase after buying your product? What's something that goes with your product? What's an accessory of your product? What's something that hooks up to your product? What's something that will protect your product? What's something that will help with the longevity of your product? What's something that will make your product easier to use? Start thinking about all these different ideas when you're doing your bundling. Now, I actually like to cheat sometimes and use Amazon to tell me the answers to these things. For instance, one of the things that I mentioned to you guys is what will they buy after they buy your product? You're like, Josh, I'm not a mind reader. How do I know that? Well, if you scroll down on your product listing, it will say frequently bought with, or what do customers buy after they buy your product? So start scrolling through these and write down these ideas and see what you think would be a good bundle and reach out to your supplier. Now, another thing is like people are like, I see people make this mistake as well. Like they want to bundle things that are like dirt cheap, that are crap. Like the key to bundling is not bundling the cheapest accessory, right? The key to bundling is not adding an extra product like a buy one, get one free or a bundle. The key is those things that I just mentioned. And don't think like it's a misconception that you have to have some cheap trinket that's of no value in order to bundle. You can literally add something that's expensive. Like even if it costs $1, $2, $3, you can add that and structure that into your price. Another thing is like people mess up because they bundle products and then they they lose their margin. They're like, well, I'm bundling this product and it cuts my margin, but this is my strategy. No. You want to be 30% on your product. So if you're bundling a product, factor in the cost into your product so you're still making 30+% margin. A lot of people make that mistake. Remember, you can be the highest price or in the higher price point. It is all about the value. If you're saving somebody having to go buy something that they knew they wanted to use with your product and you're a decent price, you're a fair price, but you're more than everybody who's just selling the thing, you'll sell that all day if you do so properly and you know how to market your product. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100+ videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.